Hi everyone. I wanted to take another look at a neat little filter trick within Google Sheets. This involves using the plus sign, or a special use for the plus sign in filter. So what I have here is the airline data set, where we have the different airlines and the countries as well as the continents, and we also have kilometers and miles per week. What we also have are two 14-year spans. These are the incidents, including fatalities from 1985 to 1999, and then the next 14 years from 2000 to 2014, same information. What we want to do is we want to take a look at the data for two different sets. We want to actually see them together. We want to see, excuse me, wrong sheet, yes. So we want to see, for example, I want to see the data for airlines specifically in the continent of Europe. And then I also want to see data for airlines specifically in the United States. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually use the plus sign to help us gather both sets of information in one line. First things first. Let's go over to this section right here. This is where I've created a brand new, the title's already here. So I'm just ready now to put in the filter function. So let's go ahead and put in our filter. And of course we're going to put in the range. So for this we're going to take the entire range. So we're going to take from A2 all the way to K, and I think it's 57 is the last one, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. So just in case I want to use this, I'm going to absolute value. So that's going to be the range. So the first part of the condition, we're going to say, okay, I want to take a look at European airlines and how they did. So the first thing we do is set this condition. So we're going to go from C2 to C57. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to encase this in one set of parentheses. And we're going to show that this is going to be equal quotation marks 0 because I am looking for a specific string. So I have to encase those in quotation marks. Now we're going to actually go ahead and say, okay, now I want the country to be United States because we want to take a look at how Europe stacked up with the United States and how those numbers how those numbers work. So we're going to go plus. And before I move on, I just want to show one thing. Because we're going to be using the plus as an or in the filter, we are going to be putting all of that argument into another set of parentheses just to make sure that the data is sequestered properly and it works. It gets kind of volatile and might not work otherwise. So now we're going to take a look at country, so that's B2 to B57, right? And we're going to see that equals United States. Again, we're going to double parentheses this. And then we're going to close out. Excuse me. Let's put back the quotation mark right there, and then we're going to close out this argument. So right now we're looking at a filter of the entire table. Then we're going to take a look at C2 to C57 to see which ones are equal Europe, and then we're going to also show the data for B2 to B57, those that are equal to United States. Okay, so make sure your parentheses is okay, and then we're going to press enter. And there we have it. You see the different airlines from the United States. We see also the ones from Europe, specifically from Europe and North America. No other place in North America is showing no Canada, no Mexico. It's just strictly United States and North America. And then you have all the European airlines, Germany, Turkey, Netherlands, Scandinavia, Switzerland. And then you can take a look and play around with this however you need to see the information you want. Again, the plus sign in this case helps us to actually combine two different types of information. Show them, use the filter function to show two different types of information that we've decided that we wanted to see. It's a neat little trick. Hope you find it useful. Everybody stay safe.